All right, happy Friday, Math 8 students. Today's Khan Academy, this one shouldn't take you too long. So inequality from a graph, if you pay attention to this and you just kind of pay attention to the details, this one will get done very quickly for you. Pretty easy one here. So first of all, you should know, based on this, you should know the difference between what type of dot goes with an inequality like this that does not have an equal sign and what type of dot goes with the type that does have an equal sign. Think about that for a moment. What type of dot? I'll give you two choices. Is it one type of dot is an open circle? The other type of dot, give me a moment here. The other type of dot, if you could hear my son in the background there, is a closed circle. So, do you know which one goes closed circle with? Is it the one without the equal sign or the one with an equal sign? You're right, it's the one with an equal sign, which means the one that does not have an equal sign would be an open circle. So right off the bat, if I clone these two, you can see that these right here both would need an open circle, and these right here would both need a closed circle. Well, what type of circle did they give you on this one? They gave you a closed circle. So right off the bat, we know it cannot be letter A, and it cannot be letter C, because it's already a closed circle. So it can only be this one or this one. The numbers. Which numbers is the arrow including? Are they including the ones greater than 0 up here, or the ones that are less than 0 down here? Less than. So yep, we can again cancel this one out, and it is letter B. I wonder if I can make a nice little box around this one. X is less than 0. Look at how cool that is. All right, hopefully that makes sense. I won't go through it quite as long on the next one. This one, all right, let's take a look at this one. We have an open circle. So open circle means that, yeah, it could be A, it can't be B, it could be C, it can't be D. So these two are the two open circle types, and we want the numbers that are to the right of -5, which are actually the numbers that are, yep, greater than. So x is less than, nope, can't be A. X is greater than -5. It has to be letter C. So that is all you're doing today. It shouldn't take you very long. Hopefully you guys get through this one quickly and you can have a great weekend. Thanks so much, guys, and we will see you next week.